Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make minced beef with green chilies. The recipe will be pinned in the comment section. Let's begin. Add a half cup of oil. Add 1 bay leaf. Add half cup of fried onions. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Add ground beef. Stir beef until color changes. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to separate beef. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and garam masala. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and half a teaspoon of white cumin powder. Add 1 small chopped tomato. Cook until tomatoes become soft. Once tomatoes are soft, add half cup of water and cover with lid. Cook beef until almost all the water has dried and oil sits at the surface. Add 10 to 15 chopped green chilies. Stir and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. The beef is now ready. Serve and enjoy with paratha, roti or rice. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.